Your Eminence, Cardinal World, Your Excellencies, Bishops d'Orsonville, Campbell, and Gonzales, my brother Archbishop and bishops, dear priests, deacons, consecrated religious and lay faithful of the Archdiocese of Washington. I am truly pleased to be with you this afternoon as Monsignor Michael Fisher. I'm quite happy to realize that things have not changed since the time of Jesus. Jesus keeps calling fishers. He will be ordained to the fullness of the priesthood and begins his ministry as auxiliary bishop, as a close and trustworthy co-worker of Cardinal World. Monsignor Fisher, I know that you and your family have roots across Maryland and Washington, D.C. I understand that you love baseball, so I was told, and are a lifelong Baltimore Orioles fan, but that you will defer respectfully to the Washington Nationals, as long as they are competing with the O's. We publicly express our confidence that, drawing upon your almost 30 years of varied priestly pastoral experience in the Archdiocese of Washington, you will be a blessing for the clergy and faithful of this beloved local church, and even for the community beyond. May our Blessed Mother, in whose house we celebrate this sacred liturgy, protect you, and may the Apostles Peter and Paul, whose solemnity we celebrate today, encourage and sustain you in your episcopal ministry. And now I will read for you the Apostolic Letter of Appointment. As you know, this letter is being sent and signed by the Holy Father in Latin. Unless you want me to read in Latin, I could. I prefer to read it in a very nice English translation. This is a letter. Francis, Bishop, servant of the servants of God, to our beloved son, Michael William Fisher, from the clergy of the Metropolitan See of Washington, and until now, Episcopal Vicar for Clergy there and Secretary for Ministerial Leadership, appointed auxiliary of the same see, and at the same time elected titular Bishop of Toronto, greetings and apostolic blessing. Not long ago, our venerable brother, Donald William Cardinal of the Holy Roman Church World, Metropolitan Archbishop of Washington, requested another auxiliary bishop, owing to the pastoral needs of the church entrusted to him. Consequently, we, as supreme shepherd of the Lord's flock, judge that his request ought to be readily granted, since you, beloved son, are endowed with outstanding qualities of mind and heart, as well as local ecclesial experience. We judge that you are suitable for carrying out this office. Therefore, upon consultation with the Congregation for Bishops, by our supreme apostolic authority, we appoint you auxiliary of Washington, at the same time naming you titular Bishop of Toronto, together with all the rights and obligations which are connected to such a mission and to the episcopal dignity according to the norm of law. You may receive ordination from any Catholic bishop outside the city of Rome, the liturgical prescripts being observed. However, prior to this, in compliance with the sacred canons, you must make the profession of faith and take the oath of fidelity toward us and our successors. You did it. Very good. Finally, beloved son, join in fraternal communion with your venerable chief shepherd and the truly beloved Metropolitan Church of Washington. Be sure to fulfill the office being entrusted to you by making use especially of charity, the queens of all virtues, which never fails. Together with the intercession of our Immaculate Lady, we beseech for you the choicest gifts of the Paraclete Spirit. Given at Rome, at St. Peter's, on the 8th day of the month of June, in the year of the Lord 2018, the 6th of our pontificate. And it is signed Francis.